Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Let's focus our attention on skeletal muscle tissue. There are three types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, which we see here. Then we also have cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. For skeletal muscle, the way that we are able to tell that this image is showing us skeletal muscle has to do with the nuclei and the striations. When we are thinking about striations, the only two types of muscle that have them are skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle. It's what gives the muscle this banded appearance. I'll kind of draw over these lines here with my pen. You can see these bands moving through the muscle. I'll kind of maybe make a rectangle around some of those lines or bands. So that banding pattern, those are the striations. If skeletal and cardiac muscle both have striations, we have to have another way to tell them apart. And one way is by looking at the cell and seeing, is there one nucleus or many? In a skeletal muscle fiber, we have many nuclei. They are multinucleate. For example, if we focus in on this skeletal muscle fiber here, we can note 1, 2, 3, 4 nuclei. Right here then, if I draw a line, these would be our nuclei. And we can see similar over here. We've got this group of nuclei here, this one. We can see multiple nuclei as well. And that will be another indicator that we are looking at skeletal muscle. This entire picture here, pretty much everything I have in these little brackets would be considered to be that skeletal muscle.